Hi, my name's Darlene. Welcome to my veggie garden. In this episode, we're going to share with you watermelon, chard, and green beets.
Early moonbeam watermelon is a yellow fleshed watermelon that grows 5 to 8 pounds. It is a hot weather crop. You can start planting the seeds directly into the soil in March and go all the way to June. It takes 75 days from germination to get your first watermelon. The vines need lots of space and will grow in temperatures between 65 to 95 degrees. Early moonbeam watermelon is a great snack, and 1 cup has 46 calories. It contains high levels of vitamins A and C and calcium. It also contains the antioxidant beta-carotene, believed to protect against cancer and eye disease. Watermelons also help with muscle soreness, hydration, and the reduction of inflammation in the body. They also help promoting skin and hair health.
Look at this baby. It's beautiful and it's ready and it's ripe, and we're going to show you how and why in a little bit. Folks, thanks for joining me back here in my veggie garden in the green bean section. Well, the green beans are a very hardy plant, so we planted these in the end of March, and what's great is they have a lot of nitrogen in them, so they can grow in almost any type of soil. That is an amazing plant. Doesn't require a lot. It's beautiful and they're delicious. You can tell they're ready when they're hard. So you got to be able to squish them, and that one's ready. If they're like, let's say they're soft, they're not ready. So that's how you know when to harvest. So we are going to be ready to harvest by picking off one at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm actually cutting them so I don't pull the whole entire plant off. And then I'm going to take them and put them in my basket. And make sure they're ready. And wow, look at these guys. These are going to be so delicious. Ooh, you're a little soft. Hold on, I got to squeeze with the good hand. Ah, there we go. We found one. They're everywhere in here. They're the mix and match of the ones that are ready and the ones that aren't. Let me show you how much we got to harvest. This beautiful harvest gave us all of these beans. Pretty proud of this, and really looking forward to eating them.
Chard, or Swiss chard, is a vegetable that originated in the Mediterranean. It's a member of the beet and spinach family. And 1 cup of chard is only 7 calories. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, K, C, and magnesium. It supports bone, teeth, and cartilage building. Some other health benefits include lowering blood pressure, combating cancer, managing diabetes, preventing osteoporosis, and improving athletic performance.
I want to tell you all about this chard. This is a beautiful plant that needs a lot of sun. So it was planted back in March, and look at how much it's grown. It's now 3 months later, and it's just beautiful, and it requires a lot of water. So when we take out the chard, we got to be careful. We're not going to be pulling like we did on the green onions. We're going to be cutting it. And these are ready when they're about 8 inches long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take from the outer parts, we're going to cut off the leaves and put them in our basket. So what I'll do is I'll take this one, and I'm not going to get the babies at the side, make sure I don't get babies, and put it in our basket. Let's see this guy. Yep, he's ready. Come on out, you. And in our basket we go. Oop. We'll go with this little guy. He looks good. Oh, so here's our harvest. Look at all of this. Are you ready to finally see us take down this watermelon? It's a beauty. We put it in the netting so it wouldn't touch the ground. So now we could take that off. When you know it's ready, this is the little trellis, and it's brown, so it means it's ready. Can you hear that? Hold on, I'll keep knocking for you. You should hear it. Sounds hollow. That means this is ready and ripe. We can take it down. So what we'll do is we're going to take off the netting. I'm going to hold it with one hand because this is heavy. This is actually 7 pounds or so. So I don't want it to fall down before we get to it. Okay. So there, I'm going to take it. And if you're ready, here's the big to-do. We're going to get it. And, whoo, look at that. Let's taste it. Oh, here comes the rain. You ready? All right, let's take our watermelon. Let's get us this cut. We're ready. We're going to cut this over here. And we're going to get right into there. Oh, it's juicy and it's soft and it's perfect for cutting. Oop. And let's lay it apart. Look at that. Oh, wow. And it's juicy and it smells wonderful. Look at that. This is going to be great. Ah. Okay, so this is for me. I'm going to let it so you can see it. It's very good. It's very sweet and so soft. And it's dribbling down everywhere, but it's wonderful. The rain is coming, so it's time to go. Thank you for joining us. Oh, one more thing. Next time, we're going to be talking about our new patch. We look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.
That watermelon sure looks delicious. Thank you for tuning in. It's been so much fun to have you in our patch. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels. See you next time.